Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting power and permissions right. Charge the watch to around 50% and make sure your phone has Bluetooth and location enabled. Once done, unlock the phone and open the official Watch Companion app or the Bluetooth pairing screen in Settings. You do this because the app handles device profiles and permissions. The phone's Bluetooth alone won't transfer watch services. Now, put the watch in pairing mode. Press and hold or follow the on-screen prompt so the phone can You should now see the watch listed under Available Devices. Tap its name. When a pairing code appears on both devices, verify the digits and accept on each device to establish a secure connection. After basic pairing, the companion app will request permissions. Allow notifications, contacts, and location so apps and alerts sync correctly. Make sure to enable background app refresh for the companion app. This keeps data flowing. Wait for the app to finish initial sync before closing anything. You finish by signing into any required account on the companion app and following the quick tutorial to complete setup. Confirm that steps, notifications, and times sync correctly. Open an app and trigger a test notification to verify. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Restart both the watch and the phone, forget the device in Bluetooth settings on the phone, then retry pairing from the app. If problems persist, check for firmware or app updates and try again after updating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.